In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Snapchat filters. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat. It brings you to Snapchat camera, and to show up filters, all you have to do is hit right there at that smiley face icon. Here you can find the different filters, and in order to delete some, let's say I want to delete that specific filter, all I have to do is right here tap at that eye icon. But here, unfortunately, you got no option to delete this filter directly, but you can use the simple trick to remove them. All you have to do is right here tap at report, and then you can select some reason. For example, I'll tap on I just don't like it. Here you can left some comment, or you can keep this field empty and just hit at submit. Then you can tap on done again, and now you can force close Snapchat app. Then you can open it up again, and there, as you can see, Snapchat filter has just been removed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.